Debt management, strategies for paying off debt. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that affects millions, debt management. If you're feeling overwhelmed by debt, don't worry, you're not alone. We'll discuss two popular strategies for paying off debt, the Snowball method and the Avalanche method. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of which approach might work best for you. Understanding debt. Debt can stem from various sources: credit cards, student loans, personal loans, and more. While it can provide opportunities like education or a home, unmanaged debt can lead to stress and financial strain. Effective debt management is about creating a clear plan to pay off what you owe while minimizing interest costs. The Snowball method. What is it? The Snowball method is a strategy where you focus on paying off your smallest debts first. Here's how it works. 1. List your debts. Start by writing down all your debts, from smallest to largest. 2. Make minimum payments. Continue making minimum payments on all debts except the smallest one. 3. Target the smallest debt. Put any extra funds toward your smallest debt until it's paid off. 4. Celebrate and move on. Once the smallest debt is eliminated, move to the next smallest and repeat the process. Pros: motivational boost. Paying off smaller debts quickly can provide a sense of accomplishment, encouraging you to keep going. Simple to implement. This method is straightforward and easy to follow, making it accessible for many people. Cons: potentially higher interest costs. By focusing on small debts first, you might pay more in interest over time, especially if larger debts have higher rates. The Avalanche method. What is it? The Avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. Here's how it works. 1. List your debts. Write down all your debts, ordering them from highest to lowest interest rate. 2. Make minimum payments. Continue making minimum payments on all debts, except the one with the highest interest rate. 3. Focus on the highest debt. Put any extra money toward the debt with the highest interest until it's paid off. 4. Move down the list. Once that debt is cleared, move to the next highest interest debt. Pros: saves money on interest. By targeting high-interest debts first, you can reduce the total interest paid over time. Faster overall debt repayment. This method can help you pay off debt more quickly in terms of total time and cost. Cons: delayed gratification. Paying off larger debts first might take longer, potentially leading to frustration or loss of motivation. Choosing the right method for you. When deciding between the Snowball and Avalanche methods, consider the following. Motivation needs. If you thrive on quick wins, the Snowball method might be more effective for you. Cost concerns. If minimizing interest is your top priority, the Avalanche method is the way to go. Financial behavior. Think about how you handle debt. If small victories motivate you, the Snowball method could keep you engaged. Additional tips for effective debt management. 1. Create a budget. Establishing a clear budget helps you allocate funds specifically for debt repayment. 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Look for areas where you can trim your spending to free up more money for debt. 3. Increase your income. Consider side jobs or freelance work to boost your earnings and accelerate debt repayment. 4. Explore debt consolidation. If you have multiple debts, consolidating them into a single loan with a lower interest rate can simplify payments. Conclusion: managing debt doesn't have to be a daunting task. By choosing a strategy that fits your needs, whether it's the Snowball method for motivation or the Avalanche method for cost effectiveness, you can regain control over your finances. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more financial tips and strategies. Share your own debt repayment experiences in the comments below. Together, we can support each other on the journey to financial freedom.